Good morning, good people. Today for the first time we're having a breakfast together with Stas in very romantic atmosphere. So good appetit for both of us. Let's move forward. Nothing changes today here in Qatar. Coffee is not getting better. But what I really do like is the level of service. For example, if you're going to a cheap kebab house or expensive Michelin restaurant, level of service is the same. 10 out of 10. Now our breakfast restaurant is closing. Crew came to me and told, please take if you want something. I went and took a croissant because we're closing, but you can sit here, no problem. In Lithuania, very often, if you are coming to the restaurant, you're already guilty that you came to spend your money, and it is a problem. There are a lot of countries where the level of service higher than in Lithuania, but here in Qatar it's just unbelievable. 10 out of 10. Perfect. Highly recommend. I'm already at Lusail QNB metro station, and I would like to show you how the traffic looks like before the race starts. Now it's 4 p.m. Race starts at 7 p.m. local time, and I'm going to the shuttle bus. So, welcome. No traffic. Really fast. It took about 15 minutes to reach the racetrack. And here at the bus stop, a little bit more crowded, but all good. So people, we still have some free time. Race will start in 2 hours, and I would like to say several words about the trip. It cost us a little bit more than 2,000 euros, 1 week in Qatar, hotel, breakfast, some museums, Turkish Airlines tickets, forward and backward, and 3-day ticket for the Formula 1 event. I am the Formula 1 fan since 1991. When I was 13, I really like this type of racing. But it is for the first time I'm in Formula 1 event. It's really nice. I think Qatar is not the best racetrack for spectators because it's very compact. You have only maybe 500 meters route forward and backward because the other side of the track in the desert, and there is no possibility to go around the track. On the different tracks there is a possibility, so maybe it is not so interesting because of that. But I think if I need to choose to explore a new country or to go to the Formula 1 weekend itself, in my opinion, for me it is better to explore something new for me. New countries, new experience, new cultures. It is really worth to visit. But really liked what I got, and maybe sometime I will come once again to the different racetrack. But for now, for me, it's enough. Stas wants to go once again. He already was in Abu Dhabi. He says Abu Dhabi is better for spectators. But really, perfect weather, perfect atmosphere, and let's move forward. Please do not disconnect. And tomorrow we are going back home. But today we enjoy the Formula 1 race in several hours. Stay tuned.
welcome to the stage. Fernando joining us.
Beje, kas nežino, Niko Hülkenbergo žmona yra lietuvė.
Liam Lawson, and welcome to the drivers' presentation.
I feel good. I mean, it's been a good weekend so far, and obviously starting from pole's the best place to be. So, yeah, hopefully we can have a good night. You know, it's an interesting race with the tyre limits. So.
Say never. Lewis Hamilton always with a trick up his sleeve. Green flag at the back then.
Wow, arriba! So people, race finished about 15 minutes ago. I'm already near the shuttle bus. It's too loud here. I need to go to the city center, sit calm, and we will talk. It is really, really nice. Full of emotions. I already came back and it's time to have a last dinner. Solo for me only. This nice avocado drink from yesterday and I think really tasty salad. Today we have Sunday evening here in Qatar. And you see at my back, mass of people, nothing changes, same as yesterday, same as on Friday. Unbelievable. Home sweet home. We're living at 7th floor, quite high. Beep, 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 beep.
How are you?
Not that bad. And you?
Good.
Perfect. Guten Morgen, 3 a.m.
No laptop, no iPad.
Thank you.
حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الصلاة.
Oh, I found the classic one. You see, there has a metro inside. What do you think? For sure, it's really huge. I haven't seen inside metro lines which goes from one side to another. Good morning. Tuning. It is heavy rain here in Istanbul. I already feel the home vibe. We are approaching like. During this trip, Istanbul airport is like a second home for us, because today also we need to wait more than 5 hours. Need to eat something, Stas will pay, because it's expensive. Don't buy a pizza in Istanbul airport. 2 out of 10. Istanbul airport today is very cheap. Double coffee and 1 pizza margarita, 37 euros. Not that bad. Back to reality. Ay. Sorry, my dear friends, I will bring you any Turkish presents. Not for my budget. Over budget. Like. Wow. Fantastic. Mercedes with non-off-road tires, but it's real SUV. I am now near the info center looking for our gate, and I just counted that in 4 hours about 125 planes departing. 1 real Turkish coffee and 1 baklava, 1 piece 5 euros. Chin.
О, деве, как стекло. I already tasted. It is so strong. I will not sleep 3 nights from now on.
So good people, our flight back to Vilnius is in 1 hour, and I think it's a good place to finish our video here. But the chance of reaching Vilnius is only 50% because of these balloons which are flying over the Vilnius airport. So if we will not reach Vilnius and we'll stay in Warsaw, Kaunas, Marijampolė, or somewhere nearby, we will continue. But for now, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, comment and subscribe Fino Fiesta. I hope you liked our company. Thank you, Stas, and see you very soon in future videos. Stay tuned and bye-bye.